Are cockroaches driving you crazy? Don't worry, with just one super cheap ingredient available in every kitchen, you can make them run away forever. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever experienced this feeling? While cooking delicious food, a cockroach suddenly crawls across the kitchen, or just walked into the bathroom and saw them lurking in the corner, making you shiver. Spraying insecticide, hanging scented bags, using insect repellent, all are useless because the cockroaches are still stubborn, challenging all your efforts. But today, I will reveal a super simple, non-toxic, inexpensive, but surprisingly effective trick. Just try it once, the cockroaches will run away and never dare to come back again. Let's get started right away. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Prepare a clean plate. Add a little baking soda. The reason baking soda can kill cockroaches is because of its chemical properties. The cockroach's digestive system cannot break down baking soda. When eaten, baking soda will react with stomach acid, producing a lot of CO2 gas, causing the cockroach's intestines to swell and explode. This is a safe, effective physical killing method that is also friendly to humans and pets. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Sugar acts as bait. Next, add half a teaspoon of detergent. Mix all three well. Cockroaches are extremely sensitive to sweetness. The smell of sugar will lure them to eat, making them lose their vigilance. The detergent and alkali in the detergent both increase the killing efficiency and destroy the protective oil layer on the body, causing cockroaches to lose water. The powder form makes the mixture easy to stick. Cockroaches can carry it back to the nest. Other cockroaches in the nest can also be infected when eating together or licking each other. Mix baking soda, sugar, and detergent into a white powder. Place a small dish in places where cockroaches often appear: in the corner of the cupboard, under the stove, next to the trash can, under the sink. Cockroaches are attracted to the sweet smell of sugar, will eat or bring it back to their nest. When swallowed, the gas reaction in the body occurs quickly, combined with the effective detergent, causing them to die in a short time. The powder brought back to the nest also spreads to kill other cockroaches. Just leave it for a few days. You will see the number of cockroaches decrease significantly, a simple solution to the nuisance in the house. Method 2. Repel cockroaches with bay leaves. Are you afraid of using chemicals? Don't like the strong smell of sprays? Try this super simple and completely safe trick. Just a handful of bay leaves. How to do it. Dried bay leaves will be more fragrant and will last longer, but fresh leaves are still good. Place them in places where cockroaches often go, such as kitchen corner, near the trash can. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Under the sink. The scent of bay leaves is very strong for cockroaches, making them uncomfortable and stay away. Although it does not kill cockroaches, this trick helps repel and prevent them from coming back effectively, especially suitable for long-term use. Tip: you should replace the leaves every 1 to 2 weeks to ensure the scent is always strong enough. And don't forget to keep your house clean, because a clean environment will give cockroaches no place to hide. Method 3. Trap cockroaches with instant noodle water. Don't rush to throw away the leftover instant noodle water after using it. I'll reveal to you a simple yet extremely effective trick to repel cockroaches. Prepare a bowl and pour in some instant noodle water. Place the bowl near the kitchen trash can. an ideal place because cockroaches often come here to find food. Next, add dishwashing liquid to the bowl. Stir well. The smell of instant noodles will attract cockroaches, acting as bait. The smell of the noodle water will attract cockroaches to eat it. When they eat it, they will swallow the dishwashing liquid, which is toxic to cockroaches and will kill them after digestion. Weak cockroaches that eat a lot will die in the bowl. Some stronger ones may crawl out, but they will also die from the poison. Even though the trap is natural, you should still place it out of reach of children and pets. Check the trap every 2 to 3 days. If you find the mixture has been eaten or spoiled, replace it immediately to maintain effectiveness. These 7 methods all create effective, sweet traps for cockroaches. Method 4. Trap cockroaches with onions. Prepare half an onion. Slice or mince the onion. Put the onions in a small box. Place the plate in places where cockroaches often appear, such as under the kitchen cabinet, behind the refrigerator, next to the drain. Replace the onion every 1 to 2 days to maintain the pungent smell. Cockroaches will avoid areas with onion odor or be turned off by the strong smell. Method 5. Using banana peels. That's right, banana peels, which seem useless after eating, can become extremely effective cockroach-killing weapons. First, prepare a piece of cardboard or a foam tray, square or rectangular, as long as it is large enough to fit into hidden corners. Take a sufficient amount of honey and pour it onto the foam tray. Use a spoon to spread the honey evenly over the entire surface. The sweet aroma of honey will spread in the air, becoming the first bait for cockroaches. Next, take the banana peel and use a knife to cut it into small pieces. The smaller the better, so that the banana scent can spread more easily. Sprinkle the chopped banana peel evenly over the honey layer, then gently spread it out so that the banana peel blends with the honey. Then sprinkle some sugar on top. The sweetness of the sugar will attract cockroaches even more. Sprinkle the sugar evenly over the entire area to become an irresistible sweet trap. The final step is to pour a layer of laundry detergent on top. Some chemical components in laundry detergent are toxic to cockroaches. When cockroaches eat the mixture of detergent, their digestive system will be affected, leading to their death. You should spread the detergent evenly over the entire surface covered with honey, banana peels, and sugar. Place the trap in places where cockroaches often appear, such as cracks and crevices in kitchen cabinets. These areas often have food scraps left over, which is where cockroaches often look for food. The smell of honey, banana peels, and white sugar is like an invisible fragrance attracting cockroaches to come. When eaten, chemicals such as surfactants in the detergent will destroy the protective wax layer on the cockroach's body, penetrate inside, and disrupt their metabolism, leading to death. The The sweet scent will spread quickly in a narrow space and attract cockroaches. When in contact with the trap containing laundry detergent, the alkaline substances in it will affect the cockroaches, helping to repel and kill them. You can make many traps and place them in different locations to increase the effectiveness. That way, whether cockroaches appear when you are cooking or bathing, they can be effectively killed by this sweet trap. Helps repel and kill cockroaches, bringing a cleaner and healthier living environment for the whole family. Method 6. Repel insects with cloves. First, pour 300 milliliters of water into a pan. Add whole cloves and heat. Then add 5 bay leaves and turn on the stove. When the water starts to change color and the pleasant aroma spreads throughout the house, you have a powerful insect repellent juice. Next, slowly sprinkle 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the pan. The mixture will foam. Add a little at a time to avoid overflow. Stir until completely dissolved. Use a funnel to pour the mixture into a spray bottle. How to use. Spray this mixture around doors, kitchen cabinets, windowsills, and other places where insects often visit. The scent of cloves and bay leaves will keep them away. The mixture can be stored for 2 months without losing its effectiveness. From the day you use this tip, you will be surprised to see no more ants, flies, or cockroaches in the kitchen. Method 7. Right in the kitchen, garlic is enough to become a natural magic weapon against cockroaches. This spice that is only used to season dishes is extremely effective in dealing with cockroaches. Today, I will guide you how to use a handful of garlic to easily kill cockroaches and say goodbye to those annoying insects in the house. First, prepare a handful of fresh, juicy garlic. Then, place the prepared garlic cloves on a clean cutting board. Then, place the prepared garlic cloves on a clean cutting board. You can slice them thinly with a knife or crush them with the back of a knife. Don't be lazy at this step. Slicing will help the spicy juice in the garlic to be released more through the cut surface. Crushing breaks the cell structure of the garlic cloves, allowing more allicin and volatile pungent substances to be released. Next, chop finely. During this process, you will smell a strong, pungent smell. That is the sign that the garlic is starting to exert its insect repellent effect. The more carefully the garlic is prepared, the more effective it is at repelling cockroaches. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then put all the garlic in a clean bowl. Add 3 to 5 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. The surfactant ingredients in the dishwashing liquid will destroy the protective oil layer on the surface of the cockroach's body, causing them to quickly dehydrate, while also causing paralysis and poisoning. When the two ingredients are ready, add enough hot water to the bowl and stir well. The hot water temperature will help the pungent active ingredients in the garlic to be released more thoroughly, while completely dissolving the ingredients of the dishwashing liquid so that the two work together more strongly. After stirring well, remember to cover the bowl with plastic wrap and soak for 20 minutes. During this time, the spicy substances from the garlic continue to penetrate the water and completely mix with the active ingredients of the dishwashing liquid. After soaking, it can be prepared for use. If you have a small spray bottle, just filter the solution and pour it into it for convenient, precise spraying. If not, use a clean, empty plastic bottle, pour the solution in, then poke a few small holes in the bottle cap. And you have a simple cockroach spray. The water pipes under the sink and the area around the drain are always wet, can contain leftover food, and also need to be treated. The dark, humid environment plus the potential food source make this place a safe house for cockroaches. After spraying thoroughly, the solution will penetrate deep into the gaps. When cockroaches crawl over, they come into contact with alicin and detergents and gradually lose their ability to move, leaving them with no chance of survival. The kitchen counter is where cockroaches often look for food. Grease and soup splashed during cooking accumulate on the surface and in the crevices of the stove knobs, a delicious feast for them. When spraying, don't just spray the surface, but aim at the cracks that meet the wall, the edge of the table, and the hidden corners of the cabinet. When cockroaches run through the sprayed area, the protective layer of fat on their bodies is destroyed. They quickly lose water and gradually die under the continuous impact of the solution, blocking their way to find food. Don't forget the trash can. The inside and outside of the trash can are often covered with leftover food and dirty water, making it easy for small flies to fly around the house. In particular, the crevice between the bottom and the side of the trash can is where cockroaches gather. Even the bottom of the trash can should not be overlooked. Spray several times to cover the hiding places. When cockroaches crawl through this area, the pungent smell of garlic will stimulate their nerves, and the dishwashing liquid will be toxic and kill them quickly. Combining the dual power of garlic and dishwashing liquid creates a protective net, leaving cockroaches with no place to hide. If you are worried that spraying the solution all over the house will cause it to become greasy, there is another, gentler way. Try it now for a cleaner home. This natural way to kill cockroaches is easy and effective. Hopefully, it will help you get rid of cockroaches quickly. Which cockroach repelling method impresses you the most? Try it today to have a clean house, free of cockroaches. Hopefully, this little tip will help you get rid of the cockroach obsession easily. Thanks for watching. See you in the next Tips on Clever Tricks channel.